Well, you know what?
They're blooming.
They are blooming, and just as I suspected.
We got a few still.
Hey, look at this one over here. Beans hanging all up under there. We got to pick these yet. We can't leave these, baby.
We got beans.
Got beans, and they're re-blooming. The morning's in the 60s, and you know what? That is perfect for what? For the green beans. Looks like a jungle out here.
It's nice.
I mean, look at it. It's taking over.
Lemongrass is finally doing. The raspberries.
I see yellow beans everywhere.
I know. We're going to have to pick some beans.
I might as well go get a bucket before I go do anything else. Look at this briar.
I bet we got a cucumber. What you want to say? Yeah, I usually put those up in the briar.
There's a worm or something that has got
Something's
to it.
eating it. I see that.
That's overnight. That thing has grown overnight since it started raining.
All right, do we got any cucumbers? I don't know on this one. A little one. Amazing.
They're finally starting to grow.
All the blooms. Now the horseradish, something still, them little worms still get a hold of it.
That's the way.
But there's got to be cucumbers because this is just too much.
I see bees in here, so be careful.
We've gotten 2 or 3. I think you're going to have to add some fertilizer or something to my cucumbers. They're growing and they're blooming, but they ain't producing.
I see little cucumbers all over them.
They ain't producing cucumbers.
But see, this is what you got to do. You got to come out here. See how it's early in the morning here? I have to get these stink bugs off.
There's one right there. Yeah, they'll
in the morning,
sting everything.
In the morning, you can get these things. You can pull them off of there. You wait till it warms up during the day, and you can't get them things. They fly time you move your hands.
I got some little cucumbers under there, but they just not. They're not producing like they need to.
No.
The beans.
But I think once they get a foothold, I mean, I see a lot of cucumbers on here, but they hadn't really pollinated. That's been the whole issue. Because you see, you'll have one like, see this one here?
Yeah.
That one didn't pollinate. And
the bees are just now finding.
I think the bees, they are, because I'm just now seeing bees. I also see some more stink bugs up in there.
And now these are my lima beans.
Look how good they're doing.
They're coming up really good. Still got some coming up.
The lima beans, that's what the ones in the garden should look like.
They're getting there.
Well, I guess we'll go hunt me up a bucket and start
picking yellow wax beans.
Yellow wax beans. Ain't gonna be a lot of them, but you know what?
It's enough to eat.
It's enough to eat. That's the way I look at it.